Hello guys, welcome to Digifine. Myself Siddharth Mehta, and in today's session, we guys are going to train you on how to create ad on Google Search Network. Now guys, before we again move ahead with the practical part of how to create these ads, let me explain you what exactly Google Search Network is all about. Now, where your ads appear out over here. So, whenever you make any kind of search on, let's say Google, you go and type a keyword out over there. So, whatever you type on Google, yes, that thing is known as keyword. Now, whenever you go and type those keywords, Google will take you on the SERP page, which is your search engine result page. Onto your search engine result page, the top 4 position and the bottom 3 position are always occupied for ad. There are possibilities sometimes you might get to see just one ad or two ad or three ad, but the maximum number of ad that can be visible at the top of the page is 4 and bottom of the page is 3. In between, there can be Google business listing that is along with the map, and below that you guys have your organic results, which are basically your search engine optimized result. Yes. Now, I'll just show you how this ad look like. Let's say if I go on Google right away and I type a keyword over here. So whatever we type at this particular location, that is known as keyword. Let's say I go and type digital marketing course. Yes. So can you just can you see this over here? Just next to the URL, the label of ad is there. The very first is upgrade, then there is XLR, there is ITM, then there is ID, and maybe at the bottom of the page there might be some few more results. There is HMMRA, then there is Udemy, there is Institute for Digital Marketing. Now, these are the companies which are basically ranking at the top 4 and the bottom 3 position, but they are advertising out over here. They are not ranking on the basis of the organic results. They are ranking on the basis of the advertisement, the bidding that they have done for this particular keyword. So basically the ad is appearing out over here on the basis of the term related to one of your keyword. Because I've typed that term, digital marketing course, and that is somewhere related to one of the keyword that they have done their bidding on. Now the very next thing, guys, about this is now kind of types of ad over here. So whenever it comes to Google Search Network ad, the type of your ad is in the format of text. So if you can see out over here, all the ads are in the text format. There is no display ad or the image ad that you can see. Now, what's the objective? As a business, what kind of objective I'll hold out over here? As a business, my objective would clearly be conversion. Because when I went on Google, I typed digital marketing course, there was some kind of intention. The intention was maybe I'm looking for that kind of a course. In that case, if any company is coming and showing me their ad, they're trying to pull me for business out over there. They're trying to pull that kind of business from me. And hence, they're looking for some kind of conversion from my end. Let's say if it's about anything, let's say it's a car automobile company and they are launching some new car in market. At the initial point they'll surely go with brand awareness, but with regards to brand awareness, we never go and consider search network for brand awareness. For brand awareness we use YouTube marketing, which is basically a video network, or we go for display network by showing our ad on Google display partner sites to create that kind of awareness for the brand. But again, when let's say somebody go on Google and type new SUVs in India. In that case, if I am, let's say, Hyundai and I came up with a new car, let's say for example Creta, in that case I can immediately go and show my ad to the user. Yes, and the user go and click, they can come onto my landing page of the website. Whenever the user click on the next page, wherever they land onto the website, that page is known as landing page. And from that particular page, they can go and book test drive, yes, or they can book an appointment to go and visit the store. Give me anything, but for sure the user is not going to go and buy the car online. The conversion for this kind of business is more about lead generation. But when it comes to, let's say, a product based business, in that case, if I go on Google today and if I go and type buy mobile phones online, there are high possibility I might even go and buy this device online itself. In that case, the objective is sales. So be it your sales or lead generation, we always, in the technical word, we always go and tell them as conversion, or you can also call that as acquisition. Now, where do your search network ads can appear? So apart from your SERP page, which is your search engine result page, yes, Your ads can also appear on some of Google display partner site. Now, what exactly this display partner site are all about? So let's say when we talk about your ad might appear with search results on website of Google search partner. Yes. So on a lot of website, when you go and you see a search bar out over there. Yeah. Now over on that search bar of time powered by Google is written. That means that particular website have embedded the search engine of Google onto their website, and any search that you make onto that website, they redirect you towards Google search engine result page. So they are Google search partners. So the next thing is about ad position and ad rank. So guys, again come back to ad position. Back in September 2019, Google have removed average position. The percentage of top and absolute top impression provide a clearer view of where your ads appear on search pages. You can use this new metric to optimize your ad position. Now let's say if there is any company which is ranking at the top of the page or at the higher level, that doesn't mean that they have done the highest bidding out over there. Yes, there are multiple factors. There are overall 6 factors that define where your ad will appear. That's one of the major factor out over here is absolutely your bid. When you set your bid, you are telling Google Ads the maximum amount you are willing to pay for a click on your ad. How much you are actually ending up paying is often less, and you can change your bid at any time. But then there are other factors too, which basically qualify to get your ad at the top level, at the higher level. The other factors basically are the quality of your ad and as well as the quality of your landing page. So whenever let's say Google is searching anything on whenever a user is searching anything on Google and they went and they type on Google like how I have typed like digital marketing course, and in that case, all the ads that I can see are more about the institute itself. Yes, the very first thing out over there, what kind of content they're providing me in the ad itself, the title, the description of the ad, and then how relevant that ad looks to me. Then goes the landing page. If I click on this particular ad, where they'll take me. For example, there are a few out over there. I can see some 4 results at the top. Yes. Now, if I go on any of this ad, now for example, I'm looking for digital marketing course. Let's say I type in Mumbai. So let's say I just change the keyword over here, and I'll type in Mumbai. It's my location now. Okay. So I can see some changes in the result. Now hmmra.ac.in is ranking at the top, then itm.edu.in again, then there is upgrade MRCA digital marketing course online PG certification. But now when I see, for me the first two looks very relevant, and then goes my third one, fourth one, Lips India. Basically that looks again relevant to me, but upgrade doesn't look relevant to me because I'm not looking for any kind of online course. What I'm looking right now is an offline course because that's what I've typed out over there, digital marketing course in Mumbai. Yes. Then goes my landing page. If I click now on Mica, let's say on upgrade basically, now they'll take me to onto a page wherein I can go and pay and buy the online videos. Now that page is not relevant to me because I'm looking again for an offline course. Yes, so that also defines whether your landing page again is relevant to your audience or not. Now how Google get to know whether your landing page was relevant or that was not relevant? That is basically defined on the basis of how much time the user is spending onto the website. So if somebody go and click onto your ad, they reach out to your website, and for example they bounce back from your website, that means the landing page was not relevant to the user. Yes. Then goes your the ad rank threshold. Now to help ensure high quality ads, we set minimum threshold that an ad must achieve to show. Now Google also defines this factor to get you on the first at the top of the page on the higher level. Then comes the competitiveness of an auction. If two ads competing for the same position have similar ad rank, each will have a similar opportunity to win that position. As the gap in ad rank between two advertiser ads grows, the higher ranking ad will be more likely to win, but also may pay a higher cost per click for the benefit of increased certainty of winning. Then goes the context of the person search. So let's say the way the person is searching with the ad auction context matter. When calculating ad rank, we look at some of the search terms the person has entered, the person's location at the time of search, the type of device they are using, whether it's a mobile device or a desktop, the time of search, the nature of search term, and there are a lot of other factors that also taken under consideration. Then goes the expected impact from your ad extension and other ad formats. When you create your ad, you have the option to have some, add some additional information. Now I'll just show you what exactly ad extension is all about. So guys, if you can see out over here, now that's the location extension. If you can see this, these are like your citing extensions. Now let's say there are other companies who are putting in. No, there's only HMMRA who have added the extension. Yeah, I can see out over here the call extension. Yes, I can see the phone number. That's a call extension. If I go at the bottom of the page, and there are some ads again, so that they have the citing extensions out over here, and there are some who have kept some kind of structure snippet. So what exactly structure snippets are, what exactly your, let's say, site links are, we are surely going to explain you when we'll be doing the entire session in a practical way. Yes, that's when you guys will be able to get to see each and everything, how do we create this extensions. Yes guys, so this is all about your ad position and as well as your search network part. After this, basically, we are going to again understand how do we create this kind of an ad. So very first thing, so guys, in my previous session, I've absolutely explained on how to, do your keyword research using keyword planner, how to download them into a grouped ideas, and after you have downloaded them into your Excel sheet, just how can you go and use them for creating your ad. So if you can see on screen itself, I've taken the entire keywords, the group of keywords onto an Excel file. Yes. Now I'm going to use this keyword. I'm going to create a campaign.